The former Bolingbrook police sergeant introduced himself to potential jurors at the Will County Courthouse in Joliet. And that's where ABC 7's Leah Hope joins us live tonight. Leah.
We're in Joliet, the Will County Courthouse, where the trial of Drew Peterson will begin on the 31st. And we have 8 of those jurors selected already. They've been sworn in. They'll return for the trial to begin. And within the hour, we just heard from the attorneys as they wrapped up a long first day of jury selection, and they stayed late to accommodate the men and women willing to serve as jurors. A late night for those working on the Drew Peterson trial after a long day of jury selection. The Will County State's Attorney entered the courthouse this morning for a trial that has been 3 years worth of preparation and pretrial motions. And defense attorneys prepared to defend their client, Drew Peterson, who is charged with the murder of his 3rd wife. Peterson, the former Bolingbrook police officer, introduced himself to the first group of prospective jurors, saying, "Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mr. Peterson." Peterson is accused of killing his 3rd wife, Kathleen Savio. She was found dead in a dry bathtub 8 years ago. Potential jurors were brought into the courtroom and questioned individually based on a previously filled out questionnaire. The jury pool was chosen 3 years ago. They were told not to watch any media coverage on the case. Upon questions from the prosecution and defense, some said they had stuck to that order. Others admitted they had watched all or parts of a made-for-TV movie about Drew Peterson.
The vast majority of the jurors are saying that they've gone out of their way since he admonished them not to pay attention to any news coverage on this case.
I think Drew is, as we say, the ultimate jury consultant. He knows he was an officer and police officer in Will County for almost 30 years. He knows this county well.
Jury selection will continue tomorrow morning. They have 8 more left from this first group, and then they'll start on the second group of 40 until they have the entire jury seated, as well as 4 alternates. Reporting live from the Will County Courthouse in Joliet, Leah Hope, ABC 7 News. Cheryl.
Thank you, Leah. More information leading up to this trial is available at abc7chicago.com. You'll find stories reported since Peterson's wife, Stacy, disappeared, as well as a timeline and information about all the key players.